Morning, my dear students. Today is our first day of science studies for class 7. As you understand that our school, SKY Public School, is giving education by online system. So, my dear students, today I have teach you a special subject as science. First, I understand you that what is science. If I give definition of science, then you can see here that science is special studies of entities, materials and living organisms. Question is, how many kinds of science? Then you have understand that there are three kinds of science. It is branches, that physics, chemistry, and there are three branches of science: physics, chemistry and biology. Physics is the special studies of materials. For example, elements, movement of things, electricity, studies of electricity, elasticity, studies of elasticity, chemistry is a kind of science which is special studies of elements. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sodium and so on elements. You can understand that there are 118 elements search our scientists for studies. If I tell you another branch of science, so these are biology. In this special subject, you have studies about living things. kinds of living things as plants and human bodies, that's animals, studies of animals, studies of plants and so on. Today I have teach you first lesson of science of my class 7 students, for my class 7 students. Our first lesson is nutrition in plants. Question is, what is nutrition? Nutrition means, if I give definition of nutrition, you can understand that the substance which can process by our body to get energy is called nutrient. It means, if I tell you in Hindi, हमारे शरीर को भोजन पहुंचाने की प्रक्रिया ही न्यूट्री कहलाती है या पोषण जिसे हम कह सकते हैं। If I tell you definition of nutrition, you have understand here that what is nutrition? The process of taking food and using to obtain for development and growth is called nutrition. My dear students, if I tell you in Hindi, वह प्रक्रिया जिसके द्वारा हम भोजन ग्रहण करते हैं और ऊर्जा प्राप्त करते हैं, अपने शरीर का डेवलपमेंट करते हैं, वह पोषण कहलाता है। Question is, how many kinds of nutrition? यानी पोषण कितने विधि से हो सकती है या न्यूट्रिएंट्स के भेद क्या है? There are two kinds of nutrients. First is autotrophic nutrients. Kinds of nutrients. Kinds of nutrition यानी पोषण की सिस्टम। पोषण दो प्रकार से हो सकता है, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन। व्हाट इज ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन? It means ऑटोट्रैफिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? My students, you can understand that autotrophic nutrition means the process which anything take energy by sun itself is called autotrophic nutrition. यानी वो प्रक्रिया जिसके द्वारा कोई भी प्लांट्स अपना भोजन सूर्य से डायरेक्ट प्राप्त कर लेता है, वह ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन के अंतर्गत आता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लांट्स, only plants and what is हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन? हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? ऊर्जा ग्रहण करने की वह सिस्टम जो पौधों द्वारा प्राप्त किए जाते हैं, हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन के अंतर्गत आता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल human body, all animals which is depend upon plants. Thank you, my dear students.
Number 1.